Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman. Perkenalkan, Muhammad Anis Haris, jurusan Computer Science dengan BINUS ID 24401259906. And today's topic is about design of Internet of Things based on warehouse door security system using RFID technology. So we're going to introduce first that in today's digital era, the needs for a sophisticated security system is very important, especially for a large company like Penn Hill Arabia Food, which is managed the Indomie factory warehouse. This warehouse store a high value of a raw material and finished product that requires a reliable and modern security system, which is unlike the security system that rely on manual keys and physical guard have proven to have a weakness in access control in a real-time activity, and you cannot track the comes in or the people that comes out, and that's open up for a potential theft and illegal access and threats that can harm the company operations. Of course, we have few problems and statement. Of course, the first question will come up to your mind is how can warehouse door security system be designed and implemented to monitor and control access at Penn Hill Food Arabia? Which is the answer is the design that we're going to implement it is the Internet of Things based warehouse door security system using RFID to enhance access control and monitoring at Penn Hill Arabia Food. Question number 2 says, how can the current system inability to detect the prevent unauthorized people? Of course, the program can identify and address limitation of current system in detection and preventing unauthorized employee to access to the warehouse overall. Of course, we need 3 things to implement the system. Number 1, we need the Arduino IDE. Is a software used to program for Arduino boards with a C or C++ like language, making it beginner friendly, written in Java. It has 3 main components, a code editor and a compiler to and of course we have the RFID is a wireless technology that uses electromagnetic waves to read data from tags without physical contact. And of course, we have the Blink is a Internet of Things platform for controlling devices like the Arduino and Raspberry, as another example, over the internet using Wi-Fi. Of course, we should first, before implement the system and the things, we should follow the research methodology, which is first problem identification, which is says it has we have unauthorized access and unsafe work environment. Number 2, which is solution goal, which is the one that we showed before. Number 3 is a design, development, demonstration, evaluation, and communication. For the system design, the system consists of several keys components as a node MCU, microcontroller as a central unit, an RFID reader for detecting authorized tags, a relay module to control the door lock and mechanism, and sensor for additional inputs. If needed, all components are connected to the program and they work together when RFID tags is placed near the reader, which is the one that we have on, as another example, we have on the Apple Pay, which is when you put the tags on the reader, it would instantly read the items that near the readers. So this is another example. So the RFID would work the same way. When you put it near the reader, the system checks whether the tag is registered. If the tag is valid, the Node MCU will activate the relay to unlock the door. If the tag is invalid, the access will be denied and no action will be taken. The Node MCU also sends real-time data to the Android dashboard via the Wi-Fi, allowing the remote monitoring and control. This ensures that all access logs can be tracked and an authorized attempt can be noticed immediately. So we will have a log that show whomever try to access the door without having an authorized ID. And we're gonna show you an example after this. So how are we gonna implement the system? First of all, the hardware include the physical installation of a component such as the Node MCU, an RFID reader, relay model, and the door lock mechanism. This component gonna connect based on the design, and each has its specific role. Ensure the door security system functions properly. And second, we need the software, of course. The software system is developed as a mobile application for the Android. This app allows users to monitor access, view logs, manage RFID data. The application communicate with the Node MCU via the internet, Wi-Fi, offers a user-friendly interface for warehouse staff and administrations. So this is the method that we're gonna use to secure the warehouse. Of course, here's the demonstration. This is an example how it's gonna work. And over here, you can see the application on the mobile. And now we have few tags and also we have the card. As soon as we took the card as a solid example, because it is registered and it is on, so we're gonna put the card near the reader. Now you see the door has been unlocked over here because the card is already registered and it has an access to get in. However, this is another example over here. When we put the wrong or unauthorized key, this is what will happen. Sorry. So this is when we bring the wrong key and we try to this is what will happen if the unauthorized or unregistered key try to access. It would appear as a notification that access denied, and the lock will still remain and also give you the red lamps. And also you can check that on your log system, which is we will show over here. Wait. Yes, this is the log dashboard, which is you can see whom try to have an access to your system. This is the testing result, which is the one that we demonstrate in the video. However, this is the first card as example, the C5. We give it an access for in the application. Also, we on the relay model we put on as the lock will open as soon as the tag read this ID number. And also, it is near the 2 centimeter, which is anything beyond the 3 centimeter wouldn't be reading. So the system shows a good response speed, allowing fast access when scanning RFID tags. It also achieves a high accuracy, is reading register RFID tag with minimal errors during testing. The internet connection was generally stable, enable real-time notification through the Blink app. However, unstable Wi-Fi may still affect the performance in certain conditions. In terms of advantage, the system is easy to use, cost-efficient, and reliable for basic warehouse access control. As for limitation, the system still depends on power supply and internet connection, and RFID range is relatively short. Conclusion and suggest. To conclusion, the IoT based warehouse door security system using RFID technology has proven to be effective and functional. The system successfully controls the doors through the RFID, as we show in the video, and also proves the real-time monitoring via mobile app, which is we could see the logs. Improves the operational security by reducing the risk of unauthorized entry and offers convenience through automation. Overall, this system is practical solution for enhanced warehouse security using affordable and access technology. I suggest first add an access history feature in Blink app so administration can view records of access time and users' identity. Second, develop RFID card management features directly in the application, allowing the administration to add or remove cards without reprogramming the system. Third, support alternative internet connections such as a mobile network or temporary data caching to ensure the system continue to operation even during Wi-Fi distribution. Fourth, integrate additional notification through SMS or WhatsApp API, ensuring access alerts are still received even if Blink app is inactive. And thank you all for listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.